Hi there, welcome back. Congratulations for getting registered with your Life Super app. In this video, what we want to do is help you walk through logging in, verifying, and putting your payment source in there. Now, the point to this process is that we need to make sure three things. One, it's you. Two, it's your phone. And three, it's you are using your phone. You're not a robot. So first things first, open your app. You're going to see sign in, click that little button, and it's going to take you to a login page. The username and password that you just created through the registration process, enter it there, log in, and the first page you should come to is Welcome to Life app, and it'll have your name written right there. Underneath there, you should see location setup. That should be green because it's attached to your credit card, and so by now you have default. That's what our system is going to recognize, your billing address as your central location. So all the functionality of the app from here on out is going to start with whatever your billing location is. You will see in gray though that account verification. So when you click that, it's going to take you to a page that you'll enter in your phone number. Our system is going to send you a code. You put the code in, and boom, you are now good to go. You should see a green check mark. It'll take you back to that page, and now both the location and the account verification should both be green. Press proceed, and it'll take you to the next page of our process, and you're gonna see three things: identity verification, payment source, and then shopping boss. Now, payment source probably will be green for you and completed because, again, we stored the credit card from the registration. So click on identity verification in the gray little setup. It's going to take you to a page. It's already defaulted. You should see your name from the registration there. Make sure, pull out your ID. You're going to need it. Make sure they line up, and then put your birthday in there. Press proceed, and it'll take you to your camera. And it's going to ask you to take a picture of the back of your license. And so you have two steps in this. One is instantaneous. If you take a picture of that barcode in the back, it should automatically, immediately give you verification, and you'll lead you to the next step. But if your ID is kind of old, or maybe it's scratched on the back, you might have to do it the manual way. Take a picture of the front, and it'll take 24 to 48 hours to get verified. You can complete the setup, you just won't be able to use your app until you're verified. Now, once that step is complete, it'll take you back to that page, and you should see that identity and payment source are in green, and the last thing that you need to do is do the shopping boss. So you click on that, it's gray, it's the last one there, and when it opens up that page, you're going to see an explanation and a description of what shopping boss is, a little video. You have the ability to look at your payment source. Again, it's stored from your registration, but if you want to change it, you can. If you're good with it, leave it alone. And then you can click on terms of use. You can scroll through there. It's all the terms, the legalese, that jargon. And at the very bottom, you should see a little square. It says, I agree to these terms. And once you click it, the create account icon, I think, becomes red. Click on it, and you should see a green check mark. You are complete with the login and the verification process. Congratulations. Now what happens is it should take you to your home screen of your app. You might have to press proceed. Now that you're at your home screen, for this video purpose, you should see right there underneath welcome and your name, the earnings category, you should already have $6 in your Trip account. You can see other videos later on to understand what that means. But for this purpose, we want to help you just put in your payment source so that you can start earning digital rewards. In order to do that, go down to the very bottom of your app, and you're going to see four options. You're going to see home, you're going to see my library, wallet, and then profile. Click on wallet, and you're going to see a list of the components that are housed within this app. Next to each of those titles is what we call a hamburger menu. It's just three dots on top of each other. Whatever you want to learn more about, click on that little menu, and you'll be able to learn more, have a description, understand its functionality. For this video, scroll all the way up, and you're going to get the last option down there. The last component is payment source. Click on payment source, add your bank account or your checking account. What this does is this gives you the ability to move your own money from your bank account onto your phone, and now you can use it. Why would you want to do that? Well, let me give you an example. If you put $100 in your checking account, or even your savings account for that matter, how long is it going to take for that $100 to return to you $4? Probably a long time. However, if you know you're already going to spend the $100, move it from your bank account onto your phone, go spend it, and now when you spend that $100, you're going to get 4% back in our digital currency. That's $4 you didn't have that you got faster than letting it sit there. Again, there's other videos in this library to describe that process. I just wanted to give you an example of why. Why do you want to connect the two? And again, we're not storing your information. It's tokenized. We're just giving you the ability to access your own money without having to go to your bank and go to this and go to, no, just boom. You should be able, it's your money. You should have access to get it from there to there and within a jiffy. And so now, once you've completed that process, go back to your wallet, that bottom option on your phone, click on it, and the very top of the page that brings up is your e-wallet. When you click on that e-wallet, one of the options is add money. Click on that, move the amount of money that you want to move over up to $2,000 that you're allowed to move over from your account to your phone. Now you're ready to go. It's going to take about 4 business days for that money to show up on your phone. In the meantime, you already have your credit card on your phone and it's within the system, so you right now can go at least earn cash back or start stacking with the rewards loyalty programs that you already have at the retailers you already shop, maybe online with Rakuten and all these other things. Whatever it is, again, there's more videos that you can learn to maximize the functionality. But for this, you are now complete. Congratulations, you have registered with the app, you have logged in successfully, been verified, added your payment source, and now you have the full function of Life Super App so that you can take advantage of your spending. Take care and God bless.